Here's one I don't get to do every day. Just in it, unique, especially in classics. 1950 Chevrolet Styleline Special. And this is a business coupe, and a true business coupe at that. If you look at the data tag, you're going to see 1227B in the model numbers. That is a true business coupe. And you can decode the VIN. It's going to tell you that this is a special and all the information on it. Now, if you want to check out that VIN plate on this car, and you want to check out the data tag, underside pics, all the pictures of this car, probably close to 100 of them online. All the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Let you take a look at the bright work in the front of this. It all looks pretty original to me. Yes, it does show some wear and some age. That's kind of the cool part about this car, is how authentic it does look for a 1950 business coupe. It is also in the original Mayland black color it would have came in. Underneath the hood, still powered by the same size engine it would have gotten back in 1950. It's a 216 cubic inch inline six-cylinder. That is paired up with a manual transmission, so that would be, again, the original size engine that this would have came in. Take a look at the rear. There's your business coupe. No rear seats, front bench only, and very original looking on the interior also. It appears that the factory seats, or the fabric on the factory seats, have been redone, door panels, that type of thing. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. The other thing that I did want to note is we did run this car through our service department. Technicians looked at it, and one of the things that they noted is some of the front end components look like they are original. Could use kingpins, some of the bushings, what have you. They said it drives out all right. We've had it in our parking lot, frontage road, out and about, and the car runs and drives all right. But before you're going to take it too far, want to go real far with this one, might want to give her the once over some of the front end components. I just want to pass that on to you, and one of the things that we found. Anyways, we're going to start it up here in just a bit. Let's hear it run. We'll check out that engine bay underneath the hood also. So you can see the paint has a nice reflection to it, good luster. It's all the way to the showroom front doors. To me, it looks like a 50 Chevy should. It's not a real, how do I want to say it, glossy, fancy show car paint. It's just a nice paint on what looks like a very authentic 50 business coupe. Also is going to come with the fender skirts right there. Those will be in that foam in the trunk. I want to make sure I mention that. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. Start it up. Let's hear it run. Alright, so here's the interior. I believe this would have been a silver or gray interior to begin with. Again, it appears that it has been reupholstered. Although the headliner does look pretty authentic. Alright, let's go ahead. I'm going to show you first off. Key will go in the straight up position. This is a choke. We're going to give it just a little bit of choke. And then the starter button is up over here. And starts very easily. Make sure we're in neutral. Here's what all the gauges work too. See, oil pressure up. Not so sure about temperature because I haven't had that running much to come up that far, but it looks like gas. Battery is moving. Also up on the charge area, so battery's taking a charge, and oil pressure. Gauge is all looking good. Also notice the horn worked earlier. I'll go ahead and push this choke in a little bit here. Let it idle down on us. All right. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. See probably what you expect out of an inline six. Nothing too crazy there. All right, let's slip up to the front. I want to pop this hood, check out the engine bay. Bet it looks pretty original underneath there also. So give me 1 second, let me get her open, let's check it out.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we go. Again, very stock looking engine bay, and mentioned earlier, it's believed to be original miles. We'll check that out before we finish up this video, but I think it was 65,000 on it. 216 cubic inch, I should say. 216 cubic inch replacement. Inline 6-cylinder, as you can see, still a 6-volt system. And again, very original looking engine bay. Sounding good underneath there. Like I said, the way you expect a 6-cylinder to sound. Let's take one little peek at those miles quick. It's a mid-60s somewhere, yeah, 65. 304, again, passed on from previous owners. Believed to be original. Can't really confirm or deny since it doesn't stay on the title once a car becomes sold. 1950 Chevrolet Special Business Coupe. How about that? Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. I'm going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.